Alright, so this is how I had a break-even day trading. Could have been up money, a good amount. I could have made it a lot of money, but I didn't, and that's okay. I also am going to talk about a little bit about psychology in this, and yeah, I need to fix some stuff basically. So first off, how do I get rid of this? Let me go into bar replay real quick. Alright. I don't know why I was so far back. Anyways, so coming into the day we have this daily fair value gap right here. This daily fair value gap and this one, which hadn't been formed yet, right there. And there's daily liquidity right here. And we just swept daily liquidity right here. So yeah. And if we scale down to the 4 hour, we have 4 hour liquidity right here, right here, right here, and that's basically it. So I'm bearish on the day just because of this whole down move, and I think this up move might just continue further down. So that's what I'm thinking so far. Also on the 4 hour, we have this fair value gap on the 4 hour, which price just came into. And on the 4 hour, we have equilibrium of this range right here. Okay, so that's what I'm seeing on the hour, so I'm bearish. And then we have this hourly fair value gap right here, which price is in. Right there, boom. And we have, let me look. Yeah, we just swept that hourly liquidity, tapped into the golden Fibonacci zone. Hourly kind of fair value gap here gets disrespected by this candle, so I'm looking to short. So then we go down to the 30-minute right here, and there's this fair value gap on the 30-minute right here. And there's 30-minute liquidity here I could target, but I normally only target hourly. So anyways, now onto the 5-minute. I mark out market open, which is right here. And so I'm waiting for market to open. Well, I'm not waiting. I'm in class. And I don't really get on the charts until about like 8:20 or 8:25, I guess. What is this? Alright, so yeah, like right around here is when I actually am able to trade. This is another reason why it's kind of hard to trade with class. I'm like, also the past like month I've had a crazy win streak, so I'm not really following my trading plan right now. And it's a Tuesday with not very much news. So realistically, I shouldn't be trading, honestly, just because there's no liquidity in the area for it to be bearish like a sweep, other than this right here, but that's only like 5-minute. And yeah, but I still trade it anyways. So next time I'm just gonna follow my trading plan, and yeah. So I'm pretty sure we get a liquidity sweep. Not really, but I counted it because I wanted to trade so bad. Then we get this break of, whoops. And then we get this break of structure on the 5-minute pre-market right there. So now I'm looking to enter a fair value gap. We have this fair value gap right here that price never came into, and this one right here. And since I'm impatient, which is something I need to work on, I entered off this one right here. I'm pretty sure I entered on this very candle actually. I took a short position right here, and it was like this, boom. My stop's right above this high, and I was targeting down here, boom. And my stops were like, I remember it being a 1 to 2, yeah, just like that. So, I took the sell position right here. Oops. And then went on the 1 minute, let price run out. So, and then instantly we get this down move right here. So I'm up a bunch in profit right now, and I moved my stops from here to break even, basically, which I shouldn't have. I should have just moved them just above these recent highs. That's something I need to work on, is not moving my stop loss to break even so I don't lose money, but moving it to the place that makes sense where there could be another reaction, right? So that happens, but instead I move my stop loss to break even, and price keeps going down, almost hits my take profit. I'm pretty close, but I'm just staying patient, and then right there I get stopped out at break even. So yeah, right there I got stopped out at break even. And if I had put my stops just a little bit higher, as you can see, if I had put my stops right here instead, let me keep going. Price would have came back down. I could have maybe just trailed my stop loss. Instead of moving my stop to break even, I could have just trailed the candles, but I didn't do that because I wanted to give price room to move. But yeah, either way, I guess, looking at the trade, I would have got stopped out at break even throughout the day. My bias was wrong, I guess. It was wrong. And so I would have got stopped out at break even. Here's the thing though, is I took one more trade after this on my paper trade. And it was a crappy trade. I never take 2 trades. I don't know why I did. So yeah, really I should have just been okay with the break even and just walked away, but I didn't, and not good stuff happened after that. But I'm just gonna stick to my trading plan tomorrow. I will only trade if it's in my trading parameters. I'm not gonna modify anything at all. And if it's not there, I'm not going to trade. As you can see tomorrow, barely any news. If there's nothing there, no opportunity, I won't trade, and I'm just going to be okay with that. So yeah, we let price run out. Let me go on the 5 minute. And it basically goes all the way up. So yeah, I was wrong on the day anyways, but I could have trailed my stop closer out for money, or just got stopped out of breaking even and not trade again. That's what I should have done, and that's what I'm going to do. If this ever happens again, I'm going to do that, and maybe target some different spots for my take profit, like the bottom of this fair value gap right here, or something like that. But yeah, that's basically how I made nothing today, which that's okay. I need to be okay with that. I should be able to just sit and stare at this for 2 hours and not take a single trade if it doesn't call for it. With the last week, I did that, and things worked out well. So yeah, I'm just gonna work on that, and let's see what time it is. Yeah, I just need to work on that. Also, I need to work on using the daily more and actually like taking into account daily stuff. I really feel like I'm only using the 4 hour and hourly. And yeah, my bias was bearish, and I still will be bearish for tomorrow, which is, as you can see, this huge down move. But I just really need to have a liquidity sweep in there. That's what basically drives the markets. So yeah, I'm just gonna make sure I follow my trading plan. And let me look at my trading plan. I'm pretty sure it's somewhere in here. I have my trading plan written out. All right, yeah, here's my trading plan. 1 to 3% of my account. Yep, I risked 2% today, so I had to get on that. New York Stock Exchange open. Yep. Won't trade high impact news. There was barely any news, so I probably shouldn't have traded. Trade gold. Yep. Daily bias plus liquidity sweep plus break of structure. wait for a fair value gap to enter. Daily bias, yes. Liquidity sweep was like old, and I wouldn't really count it. So no. Break of structure, yes. Fair value gap, yes. But the liquidity sweep is basically like the driving factor to make the trade actually hit your take profits and go in your direction. So yeah, next time I'm just going to be more patient, and if that means not trading, I'm just going to be okay with that. So yeah, that's basically it for today.